Killing everybody, nobody fucking around. Understand, talk shit, and I run the town. 2 up, 2 down in the styrofoam. You already know the bullshit, no, I won't condone. And no, don't hit me up for a fucking loan. Cause I remember when the motherfucking phone wouldn't work. And the times was motherfucking hard, and I just had to go ahead and pray it all straight to God. Funny thing is, I came back, beat the odds. Everybody talking about that, boy, I dodged. Yeah, a lot of shit that I probably yet seen, but I do my thing, I'm the youngest on the scene. Nah, I ain't a fiend, nah, I'm more like an addict. You already know, no price, just grab it. A lot of people talking all that shit, they can have it. Young boy, get it when you back in the traffic. I'm back at it like word that be him. You already know, gotta get it with the pen. When I get it with the pen, bullshit, yeah, they win. A lot of people cut me off, a lot of fake friends. I ain't got no time, I just do it for the grind. If you know about the life, then you know about the time. Lyrically, I'm dope. Lyrically, they can't design. Lyrically, I just wake up and put the money in my mind. And then I grind, and I leave that on that. If you talking that shit, young kid, where he at? I ain't understand yet, nothing about that. You already know, yeah, they gotta doubt that. Fall off, bounce back, and one count that. Funny as hell, where your account at? It's on 0, mine's on a couple though. And they ain't tripping, might put them in the duffel. All I know is get it, my life been a hustle though. I be a dummy like you, the struggle though. Already know, gotta make move obstacles. Everybody talking about the life.